Okay, here are your ingredients. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a double shot of lemon juice, a shot of baking powder, just a pinch of salt in that shot glass, and then whatever sweetener. I'm using honey here. Got a third of a cup honey, 2 cups of almond flour, whipped egg whites, 2 whipped egg whites, and then 2 egg yolks. And we'll start this way. Add the almond flour in first. Oh, shit. Get all that almond flour in there. 2 cups. Come on out of there. Alright, and put in your egg whites. Remember, I whipped them up there with a blender for about 5 minutes. 2 egg whites and 2 egg yolks. Mix them in real good. You could also use xanthan gum if you have it, instead of whipping the egg whites. Alright, let's add our melted butter. 2 tablespoons of that. A double shot of lemon juice. A shot of baking powder. A pinch of salt. And then, what is this? Like 1/3 of honey here. Make your lemon cookies. You could also add eggnog food coloring if you want to. I'm not too worried about the color. You want to mix this all together. I added a little bit of coconut flour to thicken it up a little bit. Grease up your cookie pan with some melted butter. And what we'll do is take these cookies, roll them up, nice little balls. After you get them all done, you just take a fork and flatten them out a little bit. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then shove them in there for 20 minutes. Okay, well, here it is 20 minutes later. I might have left them in there for 21 minutes, but there you go. Fresh out the oven. Well, what does it smell like? I can definitely smell the lemon, and I definitely smell the honey. How they holding? Holding just fine. Yeah. Do the taste test here in a minute. No, I can't taste test this. Got baking powder. But hopefully I got my niece and my nephew coming up tomorrow. So, the biggest thing is, what do these suckers taste like? Ready? It's the best cookie I've ever had in my life. I wish I could give Flash some. Unfortunately, there's baking powder in here, which is toxic to dogs. But yeah, it's really, really good.